Does your car struggle to start or seem to burn way more gas than usual? You might have the P00B2 trouble code, which stands for Radiator Coolant Temperature Sensor Circuit Range or Performance. This is very similar to other cooling system codes, but specifically, it means the engine control module detects that the sensor is working, but is reporting data that does not make sense for the current conditions. For example, if your car has been sitting overnight, but the sensor tells the computer the engine is already hot, that is a range performance issue. The computer uses this data to adjust the air and fuel mixture, so when the data is wrong, your performance suffers. You might notice smoke from the exhaust, a strong smell of gasoline, erratic idling, or the engine might even stall out on you. The culprit is often the sensor itself failing internally, or the plastic connector becoming brittle and breaking over time. It could also be a dirty sensor tip covered in sludge, or a wiring harness that is shorted out due to rubbing against hot engine parts. To fix this, make sure the engine is completely cool before you touch anything. Locate the coolant temperature sensor and inspect the wiring harness first. Look for any exposed wires, melting, or corrosion on the pins. If that looks okay, you need to test the sensor. You will need a multimeter and the resistance specifications from your vehicle's service manual. Test the resistance across the sensor terminals. If the resistance is stuck and does not change with temperature, or if it is way out of spec, you need a new sensor. Also, pull the sensor out and check if the tip is clogged with debris. Sometimes a good cleaning works, but sensors are cheap enough that replacing it is usually the better option. Don't forget to check the O-ring for leaks, because a bad seal can mess up the readings too. If you have swapped the sensor and checked the wires but the code comes back, it is time to visit a mechanic to check the computer itself. Thanks for watching.